Hello friends, today in this video we are going to talk about how to open bootloader mode on Samsung Galaxy A16 5G Android mobile phone. So let's get started. So first of all, start by turning off your device by using volume down and power button. When you turn off your mobile, now you use a cable to connect the phone to the PC and hold down the volume up and power button together. Okay, after this you can see a interface just like this. Here let go for all keys when the recovery mode appears, and in this mode use the volume rocker to navigate and power key to accept. Click on the reboot to bootloader button. Okay, so that's all in this video. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please hit a like button. Thank you.